by everyone in the household.
Yeah, thank you, John. Doesn't this look good? We have some dessert item here today. It's called a golden graham s'more, right?
Yes, and this is Fair Week at Platte County, and growing up, we always showed livestock, but my mom always made sure that we took baking and cooking and sewing and cake decorating, and that's also a part of the fair too, and 4-H, and it teaches you lifelong lessons. So this recipe, it's the very first recipe that I remember making as a kid, and I did the math, and I think I've been making this for probably close to 20 to 25 years, like on my own.
Really?
So it's super easy to make. All you do is you put 5 cups marshmallows, 1.5 cups of milk chocolate chips, and you cut up 5 tablespoons of butter and 1/4 cup of light corn syrup. Put that in a microwave safe bowl. I always grease all of my pans for easy cleanup. And you just put it in the microwave and microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes and stir it after each minute. Once that is smooth, then you're gonna add in a teaspoonful of vanilla. And then we'll take our golden grahams and pour them into a large bowl. And then if you would like to pour the
chocolate over?
The marshmallow mixture over the top of the bars.
Okay. I'm not dressed the best for cooking, am I?
Ah, you're fine. But these bars, like, they maybe take 10 minutes. And growing up, I just remember they lasted maybe a day at our house.
Really?
There were 6 people in our family. They would maybe last a day. And now it's kind of cool because my family loves them. My kids, my son, it's his favorite kind of bar.
So then you just mix all this up.
Yes, and you want to get it well coated. And then the last step is you just add in 1 cup of marshmallows into this mixture.
Okay. Might take a while to stir all that up, Crystal.
Yes.
Okay, so
you're just gonna add your marshmallows to this.
Okay.
And then pour it in a 9x13 greased pan.
And then is it done pretty much? Kind of like Rice Krispie bars?
It's done. You stick it in the fridge for an hour. The last thing I like to do, just to make it pretty, is I like to stick some marshmallows that haven't been mixed in on the top, just like I said, to make it look pretty. But that's it.
I like them cool a little bit.
Yes, and if you have any leftovers, I always store mine in the fridge.
These are really good, John. We have the recipe on our Pure Nebraska Facebook page already. I'll send it back to you.